Tartaric acid formula C4H6O6. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind. Tamarind, do you know this friends? Understanding? No. Tamarind means imli, and you use imli. Tamarind. Next one is lactic acid. This lactic acid is found in curd and in soy substance milk, curd and soy milk. And this lactic acid is only responsible for the formation of curd from milk. Generally, in milk, a type of glucose is found, sugar is found, that is called lactose. The sweet taste of milk is due to the presence of lactose sugar. But in the presence of a type of bacteria that is called Lactobacillus bacilli, it turns to an acid that is called lactic acid, and therefore its taste becomes sour. Formula of lactic acid is HC3H5O3, and it is found in curd. Next one is butyric acid. Butyric acid formula is C3, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Its total number of carbon is 4, total number of hydrogen is 8, and total number of oxygen is 2. This butyric acid is found in butter. Next one is malic acid, very important acid. Generally, you all are having, but you don't know where it is found. Do you know its source? No. Okay, no problem. I am telling you. Its source is apple, APPLE, and its formula is C4H6O5. So these are some of the common organic acids which are generally in your use. You all are having in your kitchens and you are using in your food. Therefore, I am given here, and these are the important ones which can be asked in your examination. So try to remember. Even if you are not able to learn this formula, then minimum name and source is compulsory to remember. So therefore, try to learn it. Now, one more important thing is there about these acids, organic acids. First one is they are weak acid. This is very important point. They are weak acid, and they are weak acid. Therefore, only they are edible acids. We can eat, we can use in our food materials because they are weak acids. Means if they are weak acid, then one more property is associated with this. This is they are non-corrosive. What means corrosive? What means non-corrosive? Certain acids or bases are corrosive in nature. They are having capacity to burn our skin. They form blisters on our skin. Therefore, we are generally not using acids, but they are which acids? They are inorganic or mineral acids. But organic acids are generally non-corrosive, but only when they are in their dilute form. And when they are in their dilute form, then only they are edible. Here one example is there of this acid, organic acid, which we are using in our food, that is the acetic acid or vinegar, already given you. This acetic acid vinegar, it is used as a preservative, as a flavoring agent, and this pickles, jam, jellies, and other Chinese foods. So 3 points are there to remember. They are weak acids, they are non-corrosive, they are edible acids. Just opposite of these acids which are corrosive, which are strong and which are non-edible, that acid is called inorganic acids or mineral acids. So this is the second point on the basis of this classification of acids on the basis of sources from which they are obtained. So first one was organic acid or natural acid because they are obtained from nature, natural things, nature, plants and animals. And second one is this inorganic or mineral acids, and its definition is also related to its name. They are prepared from minerals. They are prepared from minerals of the earth. Means they are not naturally occurring, they are not obtained in nature. In few places, some these exceptional cases are there, they are found, but generally they are prepared in these laboratories. Therefore, they are called mineral acids. Their raw materials are minerals. Minerals means all the metals and non-metals. Therefore they are called mineral acids. Their properties are what? They are strong acids, just opposite to organic acids. They are weak acid, but they are strong acids. Second one, they are corrosive in nature. Corrosive means they can burn our skins, they can form blisters on our skin, whereas organic acids are non-corrosive in nature. And they are non-corrosive in nature, therefore they are edible, but they are corrosive in nature, therefore inorganic acids are, they are non-edible acids. We cannot eat inorganic acids. So now we are going to see few of the examples of inorganic acids. Here are the examples. First one is hydrochloric acid, most common acid. It is also called toilet acid, used for this cleaning of tiles and toilets. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. And second one is sulfuric acid. This is also called king of acids. Why? Because of its power, corrosive nature, and its usage. Its formula is H2SO4, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. This is also called oil of wintergreen. And this sulfuric acid relates in economy of any country. Means the country is prosperous. It means what amount of acid is used by that country. Means a country is using more amount of sulfuric acid, means the more prosperous is the country. What is the reason about this? Reason is very clear and very easy, that most of the industrial preparations, most of the industries run on using sulfuric acid. This is most commonly used acid in the factories, industries. Therefore, if the amount of acid used by any industry is more, it means the number of industries are more in the country and the country is more prosper. Next one is, and this acid is also called in common, this is also called Tejab. Tejab. And this acid is only used in battery. Which battery? Lead storage battery, that is used in your motor vehicles and inverter. In dilute form it is used, therefore it is also called battery acid. Third one is nitric acid. This is HNO3. Fourth one is phosphoric acid. PHOS, PHORIC, phosphoric acid. Formula is H3PO4. Fifth one is carbonic acid. This is very important acid. Carbonic acid. Why it is very important? Its formula is H2CO3. Its formula is H2CO3. Why it is important? Because it is an inorganic acid. It is mineral acid, but it is a weak acid. It is exceptional case. Always you remember this. When question is asked, name one weak inorganic acid, weak mineral acid, then always give answer, that is carbonic acid, H2CO3. And because of its this weak nature, weak acidic nature, it is used in soft drink, added in soft drinks. And the next one is the hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid is HF, hydrogen and fluorine. Hydrobromic acid, that is the HBr. HBr is hydrobromic acid. So students, this is what all about your acids and its classification. Only one type of classification is given by me, that is on the basis of sources, on the basis of sources from which they are obtained. Next, this their ability to dissociate in aqueous solution, that I will make giving next week. Thank you.